Hello everyone, welcome to Fireskull Tech. Many times Windows get corrupted while installation of Windows or upgrading Windows or due to a virus attack. It gets partially corrupted, which means it can't run the software as it meant to be. Some of the features gets not usable or partially usable. Now I will show you how you can fix this partial corruption in Windows. At first, you need to go to search bar and search CMD. Then go to run as administrator and give the permission. Now type sfc/. Scannow and enter. This will check and verify if there is a problem in your Windows and fix it. After this step, you have to manually update the computer to the latest version of Windows. At first, let it finish. After the verification is complete, in case you have an error, you will see this detail page where the logs will be saved in this location, that is c/windows logs/cbs logs. Next step is to go to service and at first find the Windows update. This one. Go inside and in case it is not stop the service. Then set to it disabled. Apply and reboot. Now the device has been rebooted. After the reboot, again go to service page and enable the Windows update again. Now change the disabled to manual, apply and start the service. This will stop any error of installation of new updates. Now go to settings, and go to Windows Update and install any new updates available or check for updates. Once the update has been done, your Windows will work as it meant to be without any problems. In case you have a query, you can comment down in the video. If this video helped you, kindly subscribe, like, comment down in the video.